Inpatient module. The healthcare provider can record the details of a patient who is admitted to the hospital for treatment. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Inpatient module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Inpatient. Click on the Add icon to enter the inpatient details. We can specify the admission date from the calendar and the discharge date can be recorded here. This admission type can be selected here. You can also generate reports based on the admission type. Here we can add the room number. The discharge summary details can be recorded here and click on the Save button to save the details. Before completing this health record, if the doctor wants to edit any of the information, add in the Inpatient module. Click on the particular information, make the required changes and click on Save to save the information.